Hello students, today our topic is composition of functions and functions undefined in SAT. Let us begin. First of all, let me explain you what is the meaning of composition of functions. Composition of functions, or you can say function of a function. Let me explain you this by giving an example. Let us suppose that there is a function fx, 2x plus 3, and there is a function gx, say x square minus 1, right? Now, if I need to find f1, what does it mean? It means in place of x, I will write 1. So here on the right hand side, I place 1 in place of x and I calculate it, I get 5, right? Very simple. Similarly, if I need to find f2, I will place 2 in place of x, right? And I will get 4 plus 3, which is 7. Now, if somebody asked you to find f of gx, what does it mean? It means that in place of x, you will put gx. So the function becomes, right hand side of the function becomes twice of gx plus 3. And what is the value of gx? It is x square minus 1. So what happens? We place the value of x square minus 1 in place of gx and simplify it. We get 2x square minus 2 plus 3. So it becomes 2x square plus 1. So this is function of a function. We can also find g of fx. If somebody asks you to find g of fx, or you can say g of f, it means the same thing. It is basically in place of x over here, I have to place fx. So it becomes g of fx becomes f of x whole square minus 1. Now what is fx? It is 2x plus 3. So it becomes 2x plus 3 whole square minus 1. And when simplified further, you get 4x square plus 2ab means 2 times 2, 4, 3 is the 12x plus 9 and minus 1. That becomes 4x square plus 12x plus 8. So this is how we can find g of fx. Okay, so this is composition of a function. Now we will be doing few questions on it. The first question is, the function f and g are defined by fx equal to 5x plus 3 and gx equals to 3 thrice of fx minus k. If g2 equals to 25, what is the value of k? Now, dear students, what you need to do here at this point is you just pause my video, try to do this question yourself, and if you are unable to do it, then you can see my solutions, right? Or if you have done it, then also you can check my solutions and verify whether you have done it correctly or not. So here g2 is equal to 25. g2 equals to 25 means, what is g2 over here? It is thrice of f2 minus k. g2 is 25. I write 25 in place of g2. And f2 is what? What is f2 over here? It is 10 plus 3, 13. So I write here thrice of 13 minus k. It means 25 is equal to 39 minus k. So k becomes 39 minus 25, which is 14. So the answer for the first option is B. Now again, you can pause your video before seeing the second question. Now second question says f of x equals to ax plus b, g of x equal to twice of fx minus 3, g1 is 3 and g3 is 5. What is the value of b? We need to find the value of b. g1 is 3. What is g1 here? g1 is 2f1 minus 3 and it is equal to 3. It means twice of f1 is equal to 6. It means f1 is equal to 3. and f1 equal to 3 means I put 1 over here, I will get a plus b equal to 3, which is the first equation. Now g3 equal to 5. g3 equal to 5 means twice of f3 minus 3 equal to 5. It means twice of f3 is equal to 8. It means f3 is equal to 4. Now f3 means put 3 over here, 3a plus b equal to 4. Now we have got two equations. We can solve them and find the value of b. 3a plus b is equal to 4 and a plus b equals to 3. So when I subtract it, I get 2a is equal to 1. So a becomes equals to 1 by 2, right? Now I need to find b because question is to find b. I plug in the value of a over here. A plus b is 3. A is equal to 1 by 2. Then b becomes equal to 3 minus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2 or 2.5. So option number C is the right choice. So dear students, you can again pause over here before seeing the third question solution. So here is the third question. Third question says, the graph of y equal to fx is shown in the xy plane above for minus 3 to 7. So this is minus 3 and this is 7. The function g is defined by gx equals to thrice of fx minus 1. It means gk is 8. It means I can write gk equal to 8 means 3fk minus 1 equal to 8. It means 3fk equal to 9. So fk is equal to 3. Fk equal to 3 means y equal to 3. He is asking for how many values of k, that is for how many values of x is gk equal to 8, that is y is equal to 3. So y equal to 3, if I draw a line y equal to 3 over here, this is fk equal to 3 or y equal to 3. We have to find that how many values of x. See 1, 2 and 3. It means for these three values, y is equal to k, that is y equal to 3, intersects the x-axis at 3 points. Therefore, the value of k is 3. Right? So let us move to the next topic. Next topic is functions undefined. Function undefined. A function is undefined when its denominator is 0. Straightforward. Now here the catch point is, in example number 2, we observe that this is a function. We need to find where it is undefined. So first of all, I just find the factors. The numerator factors are x minus 1 and x plus 1. And denominator becomes x minus 1 and x plus 2. Now here if I cancel the common factor, then I will write that it is not defined at only x equal to minus 2. Because denominator becomes 0 at only x equal to minus 2 if you cancel the factor. Now the catch point over here is, do not cross the common factor. Because if you cross the common factor, then one solution will be out. Solution means where it is undefined, right? So here we have to observe very carefully that while finding the solution that a given function is undefined, we have to make the denominator equal to 0, irrespective of whether it has a common factor with the numerator or not. So here it is undefined at both x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2. Right? Let us do question number 1. For what value of x is the function h above is undefined? So what we have to do, we have to put denominator equal to 0. So what I write, I simply write it is undefined when this becomes 0. Let us plug in p in place of x minus 1. So it becomes 4p square minus 12p plus 3 equal to 0 plus 9 equal to 0, which is basically 2p minus 3 whole square. Or you can say that 2p minus 3 is 0, that is p is equal to 3 by 2. Now p is what? P is x minus 1. So x minus 1 becomes equal to 3 by 2. So x is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2, which is 5 by 2. It means that at the value of x equal to 5 by 2, this function is undefined. That is, the denominator becomes 0. Next question. Again, you can pause before doing the next question. There is a function given as this. It is undefined at 2 values. It means in the denominator it has 2 factors. It means the denominator should be x square minus 3x plus 2. Then asking us what's the value of b. But here's the b. b is here, which is equal to 2. So sorry, it is x equal to 3. So this is 3. So this becomes x square minus 4x plus 3. Let me write it again. So it becomes 1 over x square minus 4x plus 3. Now the value of b over here is the constant in the denominator, which is 3 in this case. So it becomes b equal to 3. Therefore option number C is the correct choice. So dear students, hope you have understood this video. Sorry for that mistake, that was just a human error. So now what you will be doing, you will be just pausing the video, do the question yourself, then see my solutions. If there is any problem, you can just write in the comment box. I will get back to you. You can also message me on my WhatsApp number, which is flashing below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.